Ooh wee, look at that, look at that. Ooh, right until the wheels fall off, baby. Pads is gone. Gotta stop riding like this, people. You know these brakes be bad. Indicator on and everything. I know you gotta get where you need to go, but you're doing some damage. Rise and grind back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE350 two-wheel drive, and I'm doing the rear brake pads on it and rotors. I did the front not too long ago, so you can check that link in the description. But brand new pads and rotors, we're gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna knock that out. Let's get it. And that's the jack rod, for those that's wondering. No jack stands needed. First we got 13 mil top and bottom, and get those bolts out. Alright, we gotta hold that to keep it from spinning. You get a pry bar, get in here, pry that caliper back. Make sure your brakes or your parking brake is in disengaged. It's not engaged, so you can get this off because it's going to be on there tight and you won't be able to get it off. Went ahead and removed that clip, that harness connector right there from that. This pad's low as hell. Take these clips off. I hope they gave me new hardware. Okay. Got new hardware. Sprayed it down. Go ahead and get these bolts back here. Well, we got 18 mil top and bottom. I'm gonna hit that 1/2 inch ratchet now. That bottom is gonna be, can't get in there. So I need a wrench, 18 mil. Right, we broke that loose. Alright, we got the bracket off. These guide pins, we're gonna take these out and we're gonna lubricate them and put them back in. Next we got a T30 holding the rotor on. Rotor off. You can see all the scoring, all these grooves. It's not good. Need a smooth surface when applying these brakes. Alright, we sprayed it down, brake cleaner. Now we're gonna work on this caliper. We're gonna take off this unit back here. It's an electronic unit, and we're gonna manually push the piston back. Now I can do this with my scanner, but most people don't have scanners, so that's why I always try to show it this way, because anybody can do it this way. Let me just show you what I use. So I use this, and this thing costs $7,000. Now I can go up in here and do some maintenance reset and do brakes. I can do all types of stuff. Brake reset, coolant bleed. I mean, a lot. All this stuff, man. TPS, tire pressure monitor reset. Yeah, so I don't have to do it manually, but I want to do it this way so y'all can do it, and you won't feel like, you know, you won't feel discouraged and feel like, oh, this video is pointless. I can't do it myself. I need one of these Scantools. No, you don't. All right, these screws are T30. We're gonna remove these and pull this unit off. All right, now we expose. We're gonna put a T45 in there and turn it all the way to the right until you can't anymore. All right, once we do that, we can push the piston back now. As you can see, we got it back, ready for the new pads. All right, we put that unit back on there, ready for the new pads. I'm gonna get you some brake cleaner and a rag and spray that film off of the rotors, front and back. All right, we got our brake pads. Add that to the back of them. We in there. And that is it. I'm gonna hit the other side, go through that real quick and just show you the end results. Man, this side is even worse. The back side of the rotor. Look at all that metal. Ooh wee, look at that, look at that. Ooh, right until the wheels fall off, baby. Pads is gone. Gotta stop riding like this, people. You know these brakes be bad. Indicator on and everything. I know you gotta get where you need to go, but you're doing some damage. Okay, so what's different over here is we got a wheel, a brake wear sensor right there. Get that out, and we replace it. You have to replace it each time you do your pads. That's an 8mm sensor out. Just want to pull it out from here, there, and it goes back here. And that's the other end right there. We got to disconnect. Alright, got that out. Now this is going to be attached to that, and it's a little clip you got to push back to be able to slide this out. This sensor is a lot bigger than expected. Might be a lot more money than I thought it was. The front one was like a few dollars. I think it was like $10 or something like that. But this one, we're gonna find out. All right, we're done. I had to put that old sensor back on there because I couldn't locate a new one locally. I believe it's gonna be a dealer item. All right, we done, man. I went ahead and put that old sensor back on there because it's gonna be a dealer item, and I don't have time to search for it right now. But you do have to replace it, and that is how. All right, so I hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King.